So I want to put in some word here and get out a prefixed word. So this word with a prefix on it. And in this case, maybe I want to put the year here and create some kind of ID for tasks or for projects. So I can do equals and take whatever is here and right before it, go and put year, today, that's today's date, with a ampersand and a hyphen. And maybe I want to put PROJ, as in it's a project, hyphen that. And now I can take this formula, and automatically it's going to show up, but maybe I don't want to show it unless there's some words. So I can wrap this with if is blank, 2 commas, a 2 inside of that is blank, and now paste it all the way down. And we'll only have it if we have some kind of word here. But what if I didn't even want this as a formula? I wanted to just put in the word, and it automatically does it on that particular cell. I'm going to show you this automation. Go up to Extensions, App Script. We're going to change my function to onEdit with a capital E, and an E here for event. And here we're going to get variable row equals e.range.getRow. And if row is greater than 1, meaning we're not on the header row, we're going to execute something in these curly brackets. And what are we going to execute? Well, we want to get this project. We want to get the variable value, which is e.value. We're going to go spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet get range row, and we're on column 1. Let's actually do it in column 2 for now. Set value new word, and we're going to create this variable new word is equal to this plus whatever value we have. And then we also need a variable of the year. So variable year equals new date. This is today's date. Get full year, and we're going to put year in front of that with a plus sign. So we're using a plus sign here, not an ampersand like we did in formulas. Let's save this and see how it goes. We're going to go homemade. I think we need to just get the active sheet, not the spreadsheet. And let's delete these and just write in. You can also add column here. So variable call equals e.range.getColumn. And if the row is greater than 1, 2 ampersands call is equal to 1. So we're only editing when it's editing in the first column. So let's put in a new project, manta ray. And there we have manta ray. Fuzz. And we get our 2025 project fuzz bucket. There you go. So now we're adding that prefix every single time we edit the first column and we get the row, we edit that word. There you go. Enjoy. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.